4 boxes of Leaf Sports Icons here for the Nashcollector, a.k.a. Dave, a.k.a. Good Time Charlie. A Black Ops Marine guy. What I remember. Good luck. Alright, this is a 1 of 2. 1 out of 2. They know who that is. That is Igor Larionov, Hockey Hall of Famer. Igor. Igor and Igor. Alrighty. Larionov. Igor Larionov. Larionov. Seen him in something else. I think we're at 90 a box? 90 or 95 a box on these. I'd have to check. I'm sorry, Jim, I did not see that. I'm pretty sure that says Buck Leonard. I assume that is Buck Leonard. Died in 1997, 10 of 10, Baseball Hall of Fame, Buck Leonard. I'm sorry, right, Jim. The breaks that I did all oversold by like 6 spots and stuff, and I had to give a bunch of refunds anyway. It would have been a mess. I had spots set aside for you. Not nice that he died, but a nice card. Well, maybe he was old, man. Buck Leonard. This is a 1 of 1. 1 of 1. Hall of Fame 1982, a guy named Cat, or a gal named Cat. Looks like Emily Cat something. Emily Francis and Peter Stastny, Hockey Hall of Famers. Ooh, it's a duel. Amelia? Oh, Emily. Amelia? Paul Stastny on the back. Emile Francis? Nice pass it, dude. Sorry. Couple of hockey guys. 1 of 1. Hockey guys know. Look at Jim knows and funny. Last box. One out of 5. No, that is. Anybody? It is Tony Jacklin, World Golf Hall of Fame. Tony Jacklin. There you go, Tony Jacklin, World Golf Hall of Fame. Who? Thanks, Dave. That's it. All that stuff. Thanks for watching YouTube. Peace.